All right, guys, this is a 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500. It's the LT trim. It's got the Z71 package on it, but it has a 2-inch level kit on it. And we want to show you these wheels and tires that were put on. These have been on for about 1.5 years, and I want to show you just what the setup is. They're a Fuel Rebel wheel 18x9 with a +1 offset, and the tires are these Ridge Grapplers 285 65 18s.
Yeah, so just to give you a little point of reference, the 285 is definitely wider than stock. My stock wheels are 265. When you buy stock wheels from the manufacturer, you're going to get either 265s or 275s. They usually don't come much larger than that, and that's width. Then the 65 represents the sidewall tire percentage, so it's 65% of the width. So it ends up being about a 33-inch tire. It's a little bit less than 33-inch, but these are great. And so with the the stock wheels are 24mm offset. These are +1, and so that means the dish is going to be inset a little bit more, and then it's going to cause the tire and wheel to pop out a little bit more. It gives it a little bit more wider stance and an aggressive stance. I love the way it looks. So right now these tires have about 18,000 miles on them. I got them at 22K, and the truck has 40K miles on it now, and they are wearing very, very well. So
yeah, so this is with 18,000 miles on them, right?
Yep,
the tires.
18,000. So
yeah, you can see there's still I would say there's probably 70% of the tread left.
Oh yeah, there's good tread left. So, and they handle really well. I've been very pleased with that. I think the wheels really make the truck. I've got a lot of compliments. A lot of people say, wow, I notice a huge difference with these wheels. So
yeah, the look is just a huge improvement over the stock wheels and tires. The gray wheels, I think the gray is a great look. It's kind of a newer look. I mean, a lot of it's been like the matte black or gloss black, but that gray color on the black truck really has a great look to it.
Yep. So one thing to point out with these tires that's kind of neat is when you are purchasing them, you can choose 2 different sidewall designs, and so this is one design, and then the other design's on the back side. And so just whenever you go to the tire shop, just let them know what one you want to do, and they'll put it on the wheels that way. So kind of nifty, gives you some options. We didn't have to do any modifications to the truck itself. With the level kit, these wheels fit perfectly. I would say this is the maximum wheel size you could get before you're going to have to do some fender cutting or mods so that you can steer. But right now I can crank it full direction either way and not have any rubbing, which is nice.
Yeah, it's definitely great. So this just has the 2-inch level. It's like the rough country, just this little spacer 2-inch level kit on it. Just shot the other side here. Yeah, the 33-inch wheel, with this 33-inch tire, the 18s probably look better than 20s. You know, 20s look good with a 35-inch tire, but this is kind of the same look, but at a 33-inch tire.
Yeah, with the thicker sidewall, it's definitely a smoother ride than a 20-inch. It's going to feel a lot better, and these are technically off-roading wheels, so you want the thicker tire walls for it. As far as mileage is concerned, or miles per gallon, I think I've lost about 1 mpg on average, so it's not bad, and I think it's definitely worth the look. But that's definitely something to keep in mind. I mean, you get the big tires, you keep going bigger and bigger and bigger, you're gonna get worse gas mileage. So yeah, just keep that in mind when you're shopping for new wheels and tires.
1 mpg loss isn't that bad to get the look of to get this kind of a look.
No, not at all.
We've even got some video here of the stock. We'll patch in some video of this kind of the stock setup look. I think you had this, was it the 17-inch wheels or the 8?
They were 18. The stocks
18s.
were 18. It was just a smaller wheel, and it had like zero. It just didn't have that wider stance, and so it just looked, for lack of a better term, just silly.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. The wheels and tires definitely can make a huge difference in the look of the truck. This is a great look to that. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.